app, and it's my main activity here. So when I click link collector, it will takes me to another activity. I call it a link activity. It serves like a central hub for all my functions. And first, you can add some link here. For example, if you want to add, say, google.com, you type google.com and give it a name, test1. And after this, once I click add links, it will tells me link added. By telling me link added, it actually shows me this pair of information has inserted into my table in my database, and that will give the result, which is larger than active one. If I receive the result, I know I can pop up the link added successfully. So in this case, if I choose display links, it shows up here. And let's go back and add one more. So this time I'm going to add youtube.com and give a name test2, and same as usual, after I hit add links, it will show me link added, and I can try some edge cases. For example, if there's nothing to be added, it's invalid for it will potentially mess up with my database. So in that case, when I try to add links, it will show me that there's something wrong and it can be added. And I can add one more. So for example, I can add another youtube.com and give another name, test3. So after this, I believe I have three entries in my database, so I can display them here. All here. First one Google, second YouTube, third YouTube. So when I close my app, when I close my app and reopen my app, since it's all in my database, it works like this. When I try to hit display links, it will run a select all query from my database and put everything into a array array adapter thing, and that will display them in my screen. So when I display them, they are back here because they are internally in my database. Every time I try to display them, I query by selecting all and to show them. And when I hit one of them, for example, Google.com, I can have two options. One is to open web, that will take me to the actual website. This is done by one of the intent. And the other thing is that I can actually delete this. After delete, I should be taken back to the link activity screen, and the delete is done by run a circle query sentence like delete from database where something equal to something. So after I hit delete, it tells me delete successfully, and when I go back to show them, it's gone now. The other information is that I can clear all. It's similar to delete, but just simple delete everything from my database. After I click delete all, and when I display, everything's gone now. So that's basically how I implement this app with these features. And since it's interactive with database, so data can be persisted and can be modified in this whole process. That's it.